Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I know I haven't uploaded for like 2 months, but that was due to some personal circumstances, and don't worry, I'll upload regularly from now on. Today I'm going to share my experience of participating in Mini Game Jam. I know, weird name, but I kinda like it. So this would probably be my 4th game jam at this point, so I think I have at least a little bit of experience. So let's begin without further ado. The theme of this game jam was "You are your own enemy." So I spent almost 1 hour brainstorming the idea for a jam, and at the end I came up with this mini golf game. But instead of playing with AI opponents or multiplayer, you have to beat your own past records. So you play a level once and set a record, and then you have to play it again and beat your own record in order to clear the level. Then I started to make a plan for what things I need to do when. This is important as I need a clear schedule if I want to achieve all the tasks in time. So I'll use Notion for that. I begin with creating a blank Unity project and start installing all the required packages I would need for this game. Now it was time to work on movement for the golf. So the way that it works is Unity has a on drag end event attached within the I and drag handler interface, which runs when the player finishes a mouse drag on the screen. Moreover, it gives useful information about the drag as well as its like magnitude, direction, etc. I will use this information to move the golf. To move the golf ball, I simply get a reference to the rigid body attached on the golf ball and add a relative force and set the vector minus of my mouse drag vector. So when I drag the backward on the screen, the ball will move forward. Lastly, to make it look even better, I attach a trail renderer to my golf ball, and as you can see, this looks way better. Now it was time to build the actual golf course. At first, I considered using Blender to model the golf courses, but due to the lack of time, I settled on using ProBuilder. This was because ProBuilder was fast, reliable, and easy to use. I quickly designed whatever popped in my head as I didn't actually have time for any good level design, and I used the Boolean tool in the ProBuilder to make the hole for the golf course. Goal logic. Whenever the ball manages to go inside the hole, I would trigger an on trigger enter event so I can track the goals. Then I see if this is the first time the player is playing the level. If yes, then I save his current record and make him play this level again. If not, I check if his current record is less than the saved one. If yes, the player can move on to the next level, otherwise he would fail and have to try again to beat his saved record. I also wanted to add sound effects to the game, so I got some random SFX sounds from the internet and added them in the game using my Unity's audio system, which is an open source Unity audio library which you can use to quickly implement sounds in your game within a few clicks. Link is in the description. For the background music, I used Icoso's River inspiration. I decided to keep the UI in the game as simple as possible, and for this reason I was able to get the UI done pretty quickly. Here is a timestamp of me designing the UI for the levels. Now all that was left was to put together a main menu for the game, so I quickly got that done. The game is far from perfect since it was made in 2 days, but please make sure to play it. I'll put the link in description. As for the speed racing devlog, I'll make sure to upload one as soon as possible. Hope you enjoyed the video and see you next time.